bridge at Potomac Creek will be a signature item on my layout. The U.S. Military Railroad built 4 different bridges at this location during the war. The arrow shows where it's located, just north of Stoneman Switch and south of Brook Station. Pop built the wooden truss in order to make the bridge more survivable in the event of flooding due to sudden rainstorms. They built the bridge on the existing stone piers and abutments that the rf&P had originally installed prior to the war. All that remains from the Civil War era bridge is this stone abutment. The CSX rf&P still use this bridge site, but they built a new bridge just to the south of the Civil War location. This is the new bridge. It shares the northern abutment, so that was obliterated during construction. However, the southern abutment of the new bridge is just to the south, and therefore some of the stone survived. Here I'm panning my camera to give a view of the overall site. The historical marker locates where the embankment used to be. There's the remains of the stone abutment, and this road is a contemporary road. It was not there during the Civil War. It goes under the new bridge, which is located just behind those trees. You can just barely see the line of ballast sliding to the top of the screen. The old right-of-way went down that road off in the distance, but you can see that most of the embankment where the tracks would have resided, where the cars parked, is now gone. As we approach the creek, you'll note that the drop-off is quite steep. It's essentially a vertical cliff here. I examined it a little more closely. There's the rf&P bridge is barely visible. Some of the steel trusses are visible. But I examined the rocks more closely, and it is essentially a rock outcropping. So to model this, we'll just require some rock carvings covered with a lot of dirt. During the Civil War, the trees were pretty much all chopped down. This was bare ground. Thanks for taking a look with me at the Potomac Bridge site. I think it's going to be a fun project to build.